Hey guys, I wanted to come on here today and I wanted to show you how to trim the bangs on a wig. A lot of times we get wigs in and we aren't so lucky to have the bangs be exactly the length that we need them to be. Sometimes you get lucky and they are, but for the most part, usually you're gonna have to do some type of trimming. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that the easiest way possible. So let's get into it. All you're gonna need for this tutorial is one thing, and that's gonna be some really sharp scissors. I highly recommend getting craft scissors or hair cutting shears. Whatever you have or whatever you can get is gonna work. That's all you're gonna need for this, and I'm gonna show you guys step by step exactly how to trim the wig. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is put the wig on your head. I have the bangs kind of parted to the side so you can see my eyeballs, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this and I wanna bring it to be kind of straight across bangs. So I'm gonna move the bangs here so I can really see how much I want to take off. So now you guys can't see my eyeballs, but I can kind of see that these are about here and I want to bring them up to about here so I can have eyes again. So we're going to go ahead and be point cutting this wig. So I just wanted to see exactly how much I need to take off so I have an idea of the length that needs to be removed. I'm going to go ahead and take the wig back off and throw it onto a mannequin and I will show you guys exactly how to cut it. All right, so once you have the hair sectioned off, you're going to want to go ahead and take your hand and make a scissor motion. Put your fingers in between the hair here. You can also, if you want, you can use a rat tail comb, but I kind of like the way that this gives me a really nice defined guide to use. And I'm gonna run my hand down to where I wanna cut. And then you're gonna go ahead and start with that point cut motion here. Be careful not to cut yourself when you're doing this. And cut that hair until it is all the way up into your fingers. And just keep going with that point cut motion all the way across until the hair is cut. Now you're gonna wanna go ahead and check your work, throw this wig on, check and see if you need to repeat this process. I always recommend taking off small amounts and working your way up because you cannot put the hair back. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this wig on. We're gonna look and see how I did, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this wig. Make sure you check out our last video, and I will see you on the next one. Whatever you have, or you can go to Walmart and grab whatever you need. And we're gonna go ahead and just use these